Hello everyone, we're going to talk about the most important building blocks in programming. Loops are tools that help repeat action quickly and efficiently instead of writing the same instruction many times, and we can use the loop to do work for us. For loops presentation. Introduction. A control structured call for loop is used to repeat a code block a certain number of times. Its frequency is employed when you already know how many times you want the loop to execute. A for loop is control structure used programming to repeat a block of code a specific number of times. It is especially useful when you already know in advance how many times you want the loop to run. By using for loop, you can efficiently perform repetitive tasks without writing the same code multiple times. Function. A for loop's purpose to automatically repeat direction, cut down, and length repetitive code make programs more readable and effective. Counting, printing lists, iterating over array, and carrying out repetitive operations are all beneficial use for it. It is very useful when you need count numbers like a 1 to 10, print items in lists, go through each element in array or collection. Do the same task many times like checking values, adding numbers, displaying messages, etc. A for loops make these tasks easier and more than organized. Syntax. For start, condition update. Code to repeat. Meaning, start, initialize the counter run only once. Condition, loop runs while this is true. Update, increases or decreases the counter. Start, initialize the counter runs only once. This beginning part of the loop, it set the starting value of the loop counter. It runs only one time before the loop begins. Example, int 1 equals 1 start. Condition, loop runs while this is true. This part decides when the loop will continue or stop. As long as condition is true, the loop keeps running when becomes false, the loop stops. Example, I greater than equals 5 condition. Update, increases or decreases the counter. This part change value of the counter every time the loop finishes one cycle. It usually increases like I++, but can also decrease like I. Example, I++ update. Example of for loops. In a equals 1, this initializes the variable with a starting value of 1. The loop begins counting from 1, a greater than equals 10. This is the condition that must be true for the loop continue running. As long as less than or equal to 10, the loop will keep executing. A++, this increment the value by 1 after each loop iteration, so that values will be 1 to 10 inside the loop system that outprint high. This prints the text high on a new line each time the loop runs. Do-while loops presentation. Introduction. A do-while loop is a control structure that executed the blocks of code at least once, even if the condition is false. This is different from while loop, which check the condition before running the code. In the do-while, the code condition is checked after the code run. Function. The run function purpose as the do-while loop is to repeat an action at least once. Continue repeating as long as the condition remains true. Use situation where the program must run code first before checking. Syntax. Do code you want to repeat while condition. Important. The semicolon is required or the while condition. The loop runs first, then checks the condition. Example of do-while loop. In a equals 1, the creates integer variable and set its value to 1. Do while a greater than equals 5. A do while loops run the code at least once, then checks the condition. Inside the loop, system.out_print hello po. This print hello po to the screen. A++ increases the value of by 1 each time the loops run. Condition A greater than equals 5. After each loop, Java checks if it's still less than or equal to 5. If true, the loop continues. If false, the loop stops. While loops presentation. Introduction. A while loop is a type of control structure that, while a condition is true, repeats are the block of code. It frequently employed when you are unsure of the precise number of times the loop should execute. Function. A while loop's purpose is to continue doing something until a condition is no longer true. Manage tasks where the user or program status determine how many repeats are necessary. Permit adaptable condition-based looping before starting the loop each time verifies the condition. Syntax while condition code to repeat. Do while loop example. In a equals 1, you create an integer variable name and give the starting value 1. While a greater than equals 10, this is the while loop. It will keep repeating as long as the condition a greater than equals 10 is true. So that loop run while up to 10 inside the loop system.out print a. This prints a current value of a. So the first time it's print first, next, second, and so on. A plus plus, this increases by 1 each time the loop runs. So become 2, then 3, then 4.